Welcome to the episode finale for our graphic designing tutorial in Canva. We've been having quite a journey. Now we are wrapping this up with Canva Docs and Whiteboards. Looking at Canva Docs, we can start writing by tapping here. Then in Canva Docs, you can create amazing documents using the Canva unique interface to create unique documents that would really separate you from those documents that have been created by Microsoft Word or WPS. With the aid of AI, Canva helps you to create and write documents with ease. AI project in farming. Then the next thing, I just write an AI powered farming assistant. Then with the aid of AI, you just highlight this text and tap on Magic Write. Canva has these options for me: continue writing, shorten, rewrite, more fun, and many more. I want to continue writing. Canva will really give me quite the text as a continuation from where I was. And voila, as you can see, it helps me in creating documents. Since Canva Docs is Canva, we have all our normal tools here. That means I can add elements. I can add my brand. I can upload certain pictures, videos. I can have some projects added to my document. So the cool feature is the elements part where I can add all my normal elements on a Word document. Isn't that cool? And not forgetting the template section, and using this section I can add certain amazing headers and footers in Canva of my choice. That's Canva Docs for you guys. Moving on, we want to check out Canva Whiteboards. Collaboration is a big thing nowadays, and Canva has a tool for you. With this collaboration feature, Canva Whiteboards helps your team to brainstorm an idea. And with Canva Whiteboards, you can use Canva tools to collaborate on a certain idea with your team. Using these normal tools that are on Canva, you can check out um, the text section. Obviously, you can add text to your whiteboard, maybe add a title. Let's take, for instance, a, a plan for our AI project. So, as you are collaborating with your team, that is after you have shared a link of this document, obviously, you can add these elements. So they are special elements for your whiteboard. These are called sticky notes. With sticky notes, you can comment, you can add ideas that are sticky notes. Yes, so I can just say, I would love to have a irrigation, irrigation, irrigation management system on our project. And with the help of AI, again, I can just highlight here and just right click. So let's just see this and just highlight and make sure everything is okay. Okay, that's cool. Then I can add more of these. There is no limitation, obviously. And that's whiteboards for you. Moving on to our last part, which is really the tools. the tips that I want to give you as we wrap up this course. I want to just give you a few tips. One thing is that when you are creating Canva designs, they be it any kind, you need to be checking out other kind of designs that have been made by the Canva community. With that said, you need to be connected to the Canva community, and Instagram is the way to go. There is a guy called Design with Toshi. My boy. This guy is very, very good with Canva. There are some stuff called Canva codes. I didn't know till I got to see from this guy. Canva codes help you to use certain elements that you might not see normally on a Canva normal element section. You won't be seeing the elements, but with Canva codes, you can just paste the code and voila, you would be having the. Okay, let's see. I need to check out the codes. Canva codes you must try. Let's see the codes that he is referring to. Okay. Okay, he didn't. Where are they? All right. Why am I failing to go? All right. Okay. Okay. Here we are. Save for later. All right. All right. So this is the code. Set A F R B N whatever whatever. So what am I gonna do? I'm going to move this picture. Okay. Okay, I can move. So you can just copy this text, and what will happen is this set is sort of like it is actually a set. We can't say it's sort of like a set. It is a set. A set that means it's a compilation of similar elements. And as you can see here, this set is of those kind of elements that you can use to design a certain flyer, a certain banner of your choice. And you can check out also this set. It's more of animated. Then we can check out this set. It's more of these elements. All these sets, some are free, as you can see it tagged here. Some are free and some are pro. So you need to take note of that. And that will be all. Moving on, there are many stuff that this guy talks about in Canva. So it is good to have certain accounts that are following on social media that are going to help you on your graphic design journey. There is another person that I would recommend called Plenty Design. This lady knows Canva quite very well, really. I'm going to recommend you following her. So Canva Community, Canva Sada. Okay, is there something like that? All right. So she really knows her Canva. So I recommend you following her. She has some tricks um, and some cool Canva tricks that can help you design better in Canva. So, yeah, just check out your profile and you will learn more. And with that, we wrap up our Canva journey that started from us learning from the basics of alignment, coloring, and now we are just telling each other about the Canva community. And yeah, here we go. Thank you so much, guys, for being patient in learning this amazing um, course. And yeah, all the best in your Canva journey.